Okay, so the item we're going to talk about today is Infernocord from All Mountain Systems. So let's open it up and take a look at the pack. Okay, so you got a few strands of the longer Infernocord bundled together with a little zip tie, but then you've got not one, not two, but 3 packs with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 various strands in each one of them, and they're just slightly shorter than the larger bundle. Now, with that said, I'm just going to dump it out. Let's take a look at the information card on here. So it tells what they're made of, and it tells how to use them, and it tells contact info and tips. So that comes packaged with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into it. We're going to strike one of them with a lighter. We're going to strike one of them with a ferro rod and see how they do. So let's just start with these two. So it's hemp rope, which I would think is twined together. So you might get a little bit better results if you open it up just a little bit. So I'm going to kind of just fluff it out just a little bit. See how it takes the flame. I think it's got to get past that first little layer of wax or paraffin, or not wax, but yeah, wax and paraffin that it's embedded with. Let me get it started. And once it gets in there, yeah, see, it's just going to hold that right there. And it's windy out here. You can see how that flame's dancing, but it's holding it. I want to turn it upside down, let it climb a little bit, let it really get in there good. Oh, yeah. And it's absolutely holding that flame. I'm trying to blow it out, and it's just hanging on to it. All right, so let me try something else here. I'm just going to let that sit here and burn on its own. We're going to give it a try with a ferro rod. And just while that, we're just going to sit here and just let that burn while this is going on with the ferro rod. Now I'm going to bust it down just a little bit more. Kind of shred it open. So that way it accepts those sparks a little bit better off that ferro rod. Kind of just fray it out a little bit with my knife edge, because you want to give it the best chance to start. Meanwhile, this one's still going, and they smell absolutely great. It might be the pine that is burning on it smells good, but either way, I enjoy it. Yeah, they look like they're just now starting to wither down. So let's kind of spread that out. I'll set it in here. Okay, it caught it a little bit, but I don't think it's going up just yet. Let's give it a little more. Give it just a little bit more. So what I like to do with a ferro rod sometimes is I'll take the 90-degree spine and I'll scrape some of that ferro rod material onto there, because that's flammable. So when I do finally go for a spark, it's going to catch even better. Hopefully, that's the goal. Oh yeah, it's going. You can see right there. I mean, that's, and those little sparks is from the ferro rod material going off that was scraped down into there. But you can easily get this stuff going with a ferro rod or a lighter. And with a little bit more time and practice, I'm sure you could do it with a flint and steel as well. So once again, it's Infernocord from All Mountain Systems. These are $5 a pack, and you can start multiple fires with them. Highly recommend. Hats off to the people at All Mountain Systems. They put out a great product, so give them a look.